we're gonna make a garden.
So this is a look at Sailor's garden. This garden is pretty much automated. We don't need to do anything. We just plant the seeds and we come back 20, 40 days later and there's a harvest ready for us. So to get us started on the garden, we're going to head off to our local Home Depot. You could go to many hardware stores and they would have the supplies you need.
This is one way that you could build it. You use these. The planter wall block allows a 2x4 to slide in there, and you can easily end up spacing out your boards and build your raised garden bed with these. And then you have a spot here to put rebar through to really stake it in the ground when you stack them. So you can stack them as high as you want, but these are only about 5.5 inches high. And so to do a 36-inch high garden bed, which is what I want it at nice like waist level, I would need like 7 of these per corner. And so that's going to be like $125 right there just in block. So I think what we're going to do is we are going to end up using just wood. We're going to use 4x4s on the corners and screw them into the wood boards, and that's how we're going to do it. Okay, so we ended up getting the lumber here. So we got a couple 16-foot boards, a couple 12s, just because for my size project that's what I needed, but for your size project you might need less. And this is the area that we're going to put it in. So the plan is we're going to end up having an L-shaped planter box that's going to go here. So in every project, there's one very important thing you got to have: a supervisor. Am I doing a good job? Yeah. You think you like this garden? Is it going to be a good garden? Yeah. What kind of vegetables should we plant? Cookies? We're gonna plant cookies, because cookies, everyone knows, are the best vegetable ever. So this is kind of the general idea. Just got the 4x4s in the corners, and then I'm using that to fasten these 12-inch boards. So these are the key to doing everything with only one person. Simply loosen up the grip, you place it where you want, you squeeze, and then you have like 300 pounds of gripping force holding the two boards together, so that way you have another hand free now to drill. So the neighbors had a whole bunch of yard waste, so I decided to help them out. And we're gonna actually use some of their yard waste to actually get this planter box started. So we got like some old banana trees and a bunch of other stuff. So we're just gonna lay them in here. We'll let them decompose down a little bit, and then we'll put the soil on top.
This cardboard works as a really good weed barrier. You can also use some landscaping fabric also if you really want to keep weeds out. Time to add the soil. Okay, the soil is in, and now we picked out some of our seeds of things we wanted to plant. We're going to scatter the seeds, and then we're going to set up our irrigation. So for irrigation, we're going to use this soaker hose, and then we're going to use this smart garden hose faucet timer.
I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire.